Risk taker. Yan nga ang pagbabahagi ng isang post mula kay Pinkay Shine Sayago Barcades. Aniya sa kanyang mahabang post kung saan ibinahagi niya ang photo ng Coachella, Glastonbury, Summer Sonic, and Lollapalooza. Hashtag SB19 here is a point that needs to be emphasized. Choosing an outdoor setup, it seems, goes beyond SB19 proving something to producers of major music festivals. It's for tourism. It's for the Philippine economy. It's for OPM and P-pop. It's also for up-and-coming artists in Asia who may not have the same fate as SB19 but who nevertheless wish to share their music with the Philippine crowd. Come to think of it, the outdoor setup aligns with the most major country city-specific music festival. And the venue, very strategic. It is close to major airports, has plenty of accommodations and transportation and dining options. Nearby, hospitals and shopping districts are close too. If this is truly SB19's vision, I say bravo. Now, let's just make sure they hear our request regarding having plenty of cooling systems, LED screens for those viewing from afar, sufficient portals, and water stations and medic areas. Anyway, yun nga ang request ng mga fans and sabi nga for sure SB19 hindi nila pagbawal ang bahala yan dahil alam naman nila kung ano ang edad at ano ang dapat gawin kapag ka ganitong open area ang nasabi nga pong gaganapan ng concert. Anyway, tignan na lang natin kung ano ba ang inihanda ng SB19 since January, February, March. Mayroon silang 3 months mahigit para mga po magkaroon ng planning at syempre madinig ang mga request ng 18. At yan ang ating Showbiz Snap Update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe. Kaya naman, sabi nga ng ilan, hindi nyo ba kabisado ang SB19? Anyway, may mga nagsasabi na and for sure, pinag-aaralan, pinagpaplanuhan nila yan ng mabuti bago ilapag. Alam naman natin na number 1 priorities ng SB ang 18 na kapag only water nga sa loob ng PH Arena sa SMDC pa kaya, napaka-risk takers talaga ng SB19. Salute talaga ako sa kanila. And Kuya Yani once said, let's make history. It's amazing to see SB19 impact on the economy and music industry through their concert. The strategic venue and outdoor setup will definitely draw in more crowds. Kudos to them for choosing a venue that's accessible and convenient for fans. It was set them apart and showcases their deep and meaningful vision for achieving world-class success. So sabi nga, ang mga Coachella, Lollapalooza, Summer Sonic at ilan pang mga music festival like ang concert ay nagaganap din sa open area na ganito. Sabi nga ng isang fans, Goosebump, na hindi man daw sila Coachella, gumawa naman sila ng sariling music fest. Grabe, iba talaga kayo SB. 1Z, hindi talaga pwedeng okay na to. Soon, nakakapunta din ako sa mga ganap nyo. At yan ang ating Showbiz Snap Update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Thank you for watching Showbiz Snap.